Hello viewers, let's learn today how can you make your older mobile as fast as a new one. With few changes you can do it, and if dislike you can reverse these changes by single click. So let's go and watch it on the screen. Now same mobile is available at two ends after configuration and before configuration. See the difference. You can make changes to it and you can reverse it by just one click in developer option. Settings, about phone, and build number should be clicked 7 times to create developer option. Now feed your password or pattern. Developer option is now active. Settings, once again, systems and updates, and scroll it down, developer option, open it. Now again scroll it down. Now force 4x MSAA may be enable or on. Disable HW overlay on this button and go a little down and change the third option. So background process limit, it's from 1 to 4. I suggest you to go for 2, but I did it 4. At most 4 process. Now go to main screen and go to settings and once again developer option. Now window animation scale, open it and just off it. We will off the other two. Transition animation off, click off. Animator duration scale off. Off all these 3 in front of you in circle and red line. Now go back. Now your mobile is fast as you seen in start of this video. Go to settings to reverse all these with just one click. System and updates, developer option, and simply restore it to default, and all the changes you made would be reversed and it would be factory restore default. Thanks for watching.